Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. It's been a while. Of course. Now I'm showing you some update in our construction. There's a lot of things going on for us this week. A lot of challenges, a lot of whatever. It's always like that. We build the place here, but here we are. So this week we already finished the railing here on the lanai. Kung saan naman kang mura naman ka og white kuan diha ma? White princess.
Dress in white.
Oh, dress in white. That's mama. Tuwa na. So this one here, this is our lanai from the living room. So Chris already install this, and still a lot of work around it. And uy, basisang out. Anatad nang ingon kang out ka na diha, mag-indog ka. That's Maria Basisang. Out. So everything is a mess, but this week we were able to install the stones. We put cover on it. I'm sorry, I can't show you the so these are the stone. This is the of course the sink. It's like our sink brand is Frankie. We got this at Volcon Depot in Cebu. So our plumber is here. So that's the heater. We put the heater in here, and those are the water connections. And this week we also, I don't know if I showed this to you, we're able to install the hood for our for the stove. So that's the one we did this week. And what else? And of course the floor, everything is installed. We cover everything to prevent scratches. So we got this cover here per piece. We got this over in the local supermarket for 12 pesos a piece. Basisang, out. Sang, Basisang, out. Sige na, out lang, out. Si Basisang is I don't know what she did. So those are again the kitchen. This one we still have to install those cabinets on the upper part. That one, and the other one is inside. And I already picked some backsplash for that, and I'll show you. It's kind of, so these are the backsplash for here. I think it will look nice. Oh, and it gives us some modern touch to it. So just around here is I'm gonna put the backsplash. It blend with the color of the quartz. So that's. I'm so happy that I found that. And here, what else? So everything is painted. Everything is looking good. I'm gonna show you again. We have to add more lights to it. I think I need more light in that area and on the other end. And I think that's about it. And here, so everything is already tiled, as you can see. And I open all the lights here. This is actually our pantry. So this is our pantry here, big pantry, like storage. And the main breaker is here. Gonna put some shelves in here. And here's Mama's bathroom. We just installed, the plumber just installed the toilet bowl today, and of course, if you can see, the shower is there. This is ready, and we're just waiting for there's a sliding glass door over on this side here. That one, sliding glass door. We made it sliding for her so that it should be easy for her to, you know. And this room has that's the door from the main living room, and this one from her bedroom. We also gonna put a barn door here. Okay, so this is the door to go to the living room. And then now we can see. Before it just okay whatever. So, and this is the door that from whatever we have a guest, they can still use that one. And for Mama, we can just put the barn door here. And her air conditioner was installed. We had a Daikin. This is a 1.5 horsepower, and they installed it yesterday. And right now they're putting the baseboards. Everything has a baseboard, so 6 inches baseboards, and all over the house. So it will look complement with the ceiling. So look at her ceiling. The same as all the ceilings are the same here. I'm gonna make you dizzy, but there's gonna be a fan over in the middle. We already have the fan. All we need to do is install it. Of course, I know the fan is around here, but around her somewhere. So this stone type of this is a porcelain, and it's not slippery. You will like it. It's like a real stone, but they're porcelain, and it's not slippery. That's why we picked this. It's really safe inside the bathroom. All the bathroom has this floor because it's neutral. Whatever the color of the wall, it will complement. It will blend in. So that's why we picked that one. And everything is. This is actually one of the, for me, it's nicest. One of the nice bathroom here. All the bathrooms have different. All the bathrooms have different color, by the way. different shades of tiles, and we want it that way because I want every room to be unique as the other. So we also installed this the Daikin air conditioner here at the living room, and this is a 3 horsepower, and that's also an inverter. This is Mama's fan here, and see, you guys can see now what it looks like. Whenever you're sitting here, this is going to be the main. This is where going to be the TV is, and that's going to be your view. You can see my landscape here on the side, and you can see also I'm going to be having a landscape on that side as well, below under the stairs, so you can see the stairs there. And the good part here, you can see the view. Those hanging clothes will not be there because we're going to be getting a washing machine. That's the automatic washing machine that I have to move that on the side of the house, so that would be gone. Right now we just do that as a temporary. So those are the two. We have a 2.5 air conditioner each room, and they're gonna install that on Monday. So what else here? I got this is the lanai from one of the villa. So Chris already installed this one, so it really looks nice. We're really so happy. Mike is so happy that I decided this type of railings. It complements really nice, and what the, you know, the decor of the house. I mean, hey, oh my god, the chickens just killed my plants. I mean, complements everything to the house. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Where you're looking at. So everything is here in the construction. We'll really try hard to clean the area as much as we can whenever we come down here, but they're just, you know, but we're getting there, and we're really getting close. So here's here's the villa look like. I'll show you. So, hey, look at this one. Hey, look at this.
Out, 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 out.
Chickens. I'll show you the front of the house. So even on the side here, they all have that bamboo. So I started my little garden here, but I'm not done yet with this one. I just put something that with a bare space. So basisang now, basisang. So those are the villas, and this is the main house. Basisang now, basisang. Basisang is very a little garden here. Show you. So this is the other side of the house. It looks like we tilted our house a little bit because of the topography of our land, for us to face the water. So that's what we did, and it works. It works good. You see all those. It will be beautiful whenever everything is finished. Remove all these things here, and I think I showed you before the entrance and everything in the house. Next week we're going to install the main doors of the house and all the doors, because we're ready for that. The doors. So his mic is very protective, so everything is all the floors are protected. So we really have to do it. Everything is protected. So everything is cool. Everything is fine. Just need a little cleanup. So that's the update of Kokomo, our construction here. And thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Thank you.